Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to TruLite.GasProducts. Today we're talking about fireplaces and their education that we have with fireplaces, and the subject that we are on is what is a direct vent fireplace. It's a very easy answer to that, but sometimes often confused when we talk about what a direct vent fireplace is. So let's get into it real fast for it. So to start off with, direct vent fireplaces are typically sealed units. So they'll be sealed with a glass like you see here, a glass front. This particular model has double glass on it to be able to seal the actual unit itself. That is one of your first characteristics that you'll see in a direct vent fireplace. The second feature that you will see in a direct vent fireplace is the venting and how the venting is done. The way that your venting works on a direct vent fireplace is going to be a pipe within a pipe. One of the pipes is bringing in fresh air from outside, while the other pipe is taking out the dirty combusted air back out into the atmosphere and out. Now, this is also known as a either wall termination or a vertical termination. A vertical termination is on the roof, so that means your pipe will go all the way to the roof and out. But one of the cool things about direct vents is that they can go out a back wall too. So they can go up vent pipe wise and then go out a back exterior wall. This is something that direct vents are known for, and one of the only fireplaces that can do this, as opposed to, let's say, a wood burner that has to go all the way up and it has to only offset one time. That's not what we see here in direct vents. Direct vents can go up, they can go back, they can go up and left. It just depends on the application that you're installing in. So again, that's another feature of direct vent fireplaces. They are also way more efficient in nature than what you're going to see with, let's say, a wood burning that has such a big flue pipe and is wide open using air from your home to combust. When we say combust, we're just talking about how the flame is coming out of that burner system. And one thing you'll notice about all direct vents is that they use a very small flame system here. It will not be a roaring flame, it's an ambient flame. It's meant to do ambiance and be decorative in nature, but they give off efficient and good heat to the home. So that's one of the features too that you're going to see with direct vent fireplaces, and that's exclusive to them, is that they give off really good heat. So when we talk about where they're installed at and how to know if it's a direct vent, so most new homes, most all of your new homes have some sort of builder type box that is direct vent oriented, that is made because they have very tight homes that are being made. Here in Houston, we see a lot of the 3-story townhomes or 3-story homes that they have, and these are very tightly built, spray foam installation, very tight for the standards that are out there today. So direct vents really do help in that they're not using any air in your home to combust. They're bringing in air from the outside. So that is a good explanation of what a direct vent fireplace is. Now, if you want to check to see if you have a direct vent fireplace, again, you just check to see, is my glass sealed? And can I open it, with doors? If you can open it with doors, it's definitely not a direct vent. But like I said, if it's a sealed glass like you see here, or if we step over here and kind of look over on this model here, you can see it's got a safety barrier to where it's sealed and it cannot be removed whenever it's burned. That's a direct vent fireplace. So again, guys, if you're interested in knowing more or you still have questions, give us a call, 713-682-2053. We have trained technicians that are ready to help you and answer any questions. If you're looking to get a service done, give our service team a call. Like I said, like, subscribe, follow us on our other channels as well, and stay tuned for more helpful tips.